Hello friends, so let's see how to change the crosshair size, right? You can see this crosshair which is moving here. See, this one is known as crosshair, right? Of so to change the size of crosshair, just click here on the AutoCAD symbol. See, here is a drop down. See on the top, you can see, right? Just click on this drop down, and here you can see the option button. Just click on here, right? And this kind of window will open. Then from here you just come to the display tab, right? Yes, see, some of the tabs are present, right? You just need to come here on the display, and here you can see the crosshair size, right? Currently it is uh, you can just put here value also, or you can just drag this one, and you can just increase the crosshair size. Let me put 20, this much only, and just click on apply, and press OK. Now you can see your crosshair size is increased.